Hello, and very quick explanation of how web servers work. So this is related to all the servers that we've been talking about. I'm going to give you a very simple explanation of this. So any computer scientists will think I've dumbed this down completely, but it is a bit dumbed down, but it's just giving you the idea of how we actually use web servers. One of the expressions you should know about is something called packet switching, which is what this process is. So the scenario is there's you on your laptop and you're going to click on a link to open up a YouTube video or a website or whatever. And it's the process of you actually clicking on that link and then seeing the website on your screen. So the first step is you click on a link and request, that's an important word, to view a web page. So you just click on a YouTube video and you request to see it. That request is then broken down into tiny little bits of data called packets. And those packets are sent out from your computer in all sorts of different directions, all sorts of different routes across the internet. So all these packets are all going in different directions to get across the internet. So they're all swimming around under the sea trying to find the web server where your website is, the site that you've requested to see. So they're all addressed so they know where they're actually going, and they end up, all the little packets end up, most of them do anyway, some might get lost along the way, but that's okay, and they end up at the web server where the website actually is, and that could be anywhere in the world. So the web server receives all those little packets of data, which is your request to see a website, and it reassembles those packets, and then that's the request going up onto the web server. The web server then finds the video web page or whatever it is you're looking for, and it breaks it down again into little packets. So it finds the website, the video that you're looking for, and breaks it into packets. And then it sends all those packets of data back across the internet, all going their own little separate ways until they get to your computer. And inside the computer, all those packets are reassembled by your browser. So whether you're using Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or whatever, they're reassembled. And then they are displayed as the web page or video or whatever else that you wanted to use to see on your computer. So that's a really very, very simplistic approach to packet switching. I'm going to give you another video on YouTube which you can get a little bit more detail of. For those people who want extension material, what you're looking for is information about TCP/IP stack, which is explaining to you a little bit more about how the packets are created and then reassembled. So that's just a really basic overview of how a web server works using packet switching.